There are no facts, only interpretations. Here, Nietzsche challenges the idea of objective truth, suggesting that all knowledge and understanding are shaped by subjective perspectives. In his view, the world is interpreted through the lens of individual perception, and therefore, facts are not as absolute as they may seem. This radical view encourages a more fluid understanding of reality, one that recognizes the complexities and biases inherent in human interpretation. This statement is also a critique of rigid systems of thought, whether they be religious, philosophical, or scientific, that claim to possess definitive truths. Nietzsche's philosophy suggests that human knowledge is always provisional, open to revision, and shaped by the unique experiences, desires, and limitations of the individual or society. In this way, he invites us to be more critical and self-aware in our understanding of the world.